An engineering student created custom AirPods with USB-C charging case. Well, there you go. That was the problem I was just referencing. You take the iPhone over to USB-C, then you got to do all of it. Let's just get rid of Lightning altogether. And so that would obviously include the AirPods, wildly popular devices, obviously. But even the Max model still charges with Lightning. Which you would have suspected. That one is so new, and it charges right on the headphone. Maybe you could have done Type-C there. But anyway, this guy was so aggravated that he decided to build this himself. And look how complex that is. All the drawings and such to make this happen. But he created the world's first USB-C AirPods, sort of cracking open his case and replacing the Lightning port with the USB-C port in order to save himself carrying an extra cable. He's like you, Mo. Well, except there's one flaw, I guess, in your scenario, which is you could just charge the phone off the laptop and just plug the laptop in. But so it would be one wall outlet, but still two cables. Still annoying.
Yeah.
And slower charging. But anyway, I like this. Full video coming soon. I guess we're just catching a preview at this point. He managed to design a custom flexible PCB that allowed him to fit the necessary USB-C charging hardware inside the AirPods case. There he is, just dancing to the music. He's like, yep, still works. Still charged. In addition to USB-C iPhone and USB-C AirPods, he managed to add a fully functional Lightning connector to his Samsung. So that's his thing. Connector changer. And what is the name of his channel on YouTube? Exploring the Simulation. We've referenced him before. So shout out to him for changing all the ports in ways we never imagined.